Hello everybody, this is Brendan from LemTask. If you're using TickTick but feel slightly overwhelmed, this video is for you. TickTick is powerful but comes with options. This walkthrough is for people who open TickTick and don't know where to start, feel like they're using it wrong, or keep adding features and slowly lose clarity. We're going to use only what you actually need for daily execution. So we're going to open TickTick into the main dashboard that most people land on. You will see that you land on your inbox with all of your tasks there. There is the Today tab, the task that needs my attention for today, as well as the habits, which are recurring tasks that I set in on a later stage. So, overwhelm usually doesn't come from too many tasks. It comes from looking too many places in order to simplify your day. So, we're going to look at today's inbox. Is where you add your tasks very, very quickly. Your today view, as I said, tasks that need your attention for today only, including your recurring tasks. And then we have also the option of putting on lists. Lists where you can categorize your tasks, whether they are for your customers, for learning, for personal, and I even put in work purposes there. So, inbox. This is where everything lands. Today, this is what you actually work on. And then your lists. This is where people like to customize their tasks. You also have the option here on the left-hand bar to look at the calendar view of your tasks. Eisenhower matrix, which sorts your tasks into hierarchies. Pomodoro, your habit tracker, and countdown. So these options we're not going to use in today's video, but you don't need to ignore these forever. You just need them to get work done today. So we're going to go back to our tasks. On the inbox, we are going to drop a couple. Let's say send email, call Sue, update doc as examples. I'm going to look at my list and see there's a couple that I need to do today. I can take this, click on there and drag it over to today and drop it. Sue, I'm going to call her today. I'm going to take it over and drag it. And email, take it over, drag it today and drop it. At this point, we don't put any dates yet. We don't put any priorities yet. We just capture our tasks. We capture first and we decide later. So how do we go about using TickTick on a daily basis? We open TickTick in the morning and we start with our inbox. We take items from our inbox and tasks and we move it to today. I'll move another one. And the rest we ignore. Then we go to today's view. We simply look at the list. This is what needs to happen today. I will call Sue and click on it. Task completed. Great. My day is on track so far. Here in the bottom, I will see call Sue is on my completed list. So there's no constant resorting, no tweak of my views on the middle of the day. So where does the complexity creep in? We have got multiple smart lists when I press on the Eisenhower matrix. We have got priority colors, red being needs to do now. Yellow means it needs a medium amount of priority to it, and so on and so forth. I've got calendar views. I've got Pomodoro, which actually times me per task. And I have got my habit tracker, where I can input my habits. And in addition to that, I've got a countdown sheet where I can see several tasks that has got a deadline that I need to adhere to. TickTick doesn't become overwhelming on day one. It becomes overwhelming when structure goes faster than clarity. Most people don't outgrow simplicity. They abandon it too early. For context, this is how we do this in LemTask, which is the tool we use ourselves. Google search LemTask. Here we are open on my dashboard. I simply scroll down, get a nice couple of messages. Here I can see my first priority today is I must call my mom. I call my mom, task completed. And on and so forth. It's the same goal, but fewer decisions. Different philosophy. If you want to see this approach in full, LemTask is linked below. Thank you.